11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now see, that's a far better back position. Your back staying nice and vertical. Very good. Lovely, and your knees staying in the perfect place as well. Better, better, better. Perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. 6, 7. That's so much better. 8, 9.